theory, origin of the universe. Big Bang theory explains origin of universe. The continental drift theory, Alfred Wegener. Milky Way is classified as a spiral galaxy. Time taken by sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy 25 crore years. Color of the star indicates its temperature. Limit beyond which stars suffer internal collapse is called Chandrasekhar limit. Black hole is collapsed star. Celestial phenomena occurring due to a star black hole. Black hole theory is Chandrasekhar. Black hole was first made known as Chandrasekhar. Information about black hole first provides Chandrasekhar. Black hole is an astronomical entity that cannot be seen by telescope. Gravitational field on a black hole is so strong that it does not allow even light to escape. Black hole is a body in space which does not allow any type of radiation to come out. This property is due to its high density. Supernova, a dying star. How many constellations are in our space? 88. Which one is not astronomical object? Brittle star. Not found in space. Brittle star. A group of stars arranged in a particular shape is called constellation. Hubble Space Telescope had captured for first time detailed image of the surface of a distant star. Name of the star is Betelgeuse. A person in a spacecraft situated at the mid of the Earth and Sun will see that sky is black. Stars do not twinkle. Light year is the unit of distance. Unit of measuring distance, light year. If the star are seen to rise perpendicular to the horizon by an observer, he is located on the equator. A person stood alone in a desert on a dark night and wanted to reach his village, which was situated 5 kilometers east of the point where he was standing. He had no instrument to find direction, but he located the pole star. The most convenient way now to reach his village is to walk direction, keeping the pole star to his left. Ground of star that indicates direction of pole, Saptarishi. Which one of the following is not related to space terminology? Byte. Event horizon singularity string theory standard model are sometimes seen in news in the context of observation and understanding the universe. Not a natural unit of time. Standard time. Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Not belong to the solar system. Nebula. Who first propounded that the sun is center of our solar system and the earth revolves around it? Copernicus. Scientist who first discovered that the earth revolves around the sun was Copernicus. Scientists said the first time that earth revolves around the sun that the earth is not center of the universe. Copernicus. Who first established that all the planets revolve round the sun? Nicholas Copernicus. Still correct. The earth is the densest of all the planets in our solar system. Number of planets in the solar system? No. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. 2 planets are between Mars and Uranus in the other distance from the sun, Jupiter and Saturn. Arrange the planet given in the increasing distance from the sun. Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Pluto. Planet between Earth and Sun. Mercury or Venus. Earth is located between Venus or Mars. True about planet. Planets shine through they are non-luminous bodies. The smallest planet of the solar Pluto. Largest planet of the Earth Jupiter. Planet second to the Sun Venus. Planet nearest to the Sun Mercury. Nearest to the Sun Mercury. Largest Jupiter. Smallest Mercury. Brightest Venus. Slowest moving Neptune. Arrange the decreasing order of size. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Earth. Hydrogen, helium, methane are main gases present in Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Which of the following is not planet of solar system? Florida. Goldilocks zone. Search of the Earth-like planet in outer space. Uranus, planet, moon, satellite. Halley is comet Mariner, artificial satellite. Neptune is surrounded by methane gas ring of sub-zero temperature. Phobos or Deimos are two satellites of Mars. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Ganymede is the largest satellite in solar system, but it is a satellite of Jupiter. Chief heavenly body of solar system. Sun. Substance presented at the center of the Sun are in very high temperature. Sun are in the form of gas and plasma. Solar energy is due to nuclear fusion. Diamond ring is a phenomenon observed only along the peripheral region of the totality trial. Solar eclipse occurs on new moon day. Every solar eclipse occurs on Amavasya only. When solar eclipse occurred, when moon comes between Earth and Sun. EMS. Solar eclipse achieve totality only in limited geographic region because the size of shadow of the moon on the Earth is small as compared to the cross section of Earth. Sun's halo is produced by the refraction of light in ice crystal in cirrus cloud. One astronomical unit: average distance between Earth and Sun. Average or mean distance between Earth and Sun is 115 to 10 to power 6 km. Distance between Earth and Sun 150 million km. Earth nearest to the Sun on 3rd January. Perihelion nearest to perihelion 4 Jan or farthest aphelion 4 July. Size of the Sun is how many times bigger than that of the Earth? 109 times. Which of the following is true regarding Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, resulting into seasonal change. Earth revolution around Sun result into occurrence day or night. रिवॉल्यूशन से डे और नाइट होता है. रोटेट अपने एक्सिस पे ईस्ट और वेस्ट से ईस्ट की तरफ, वेस्ट से ईस्ट अर्थ. दोनों गलत है ना. क्योंकि रिवॉल्यूशन से सीजनल चेंज होता है, रोटेशन से डे और नाइट होता है, और वो वेस्ट से ईस्ट रोटेट करता है, वेस्ट से ईस्ट। ब्राइट आउटर लेयर ऑफ द सन इज फोटोस्फेयर, मरकरी। Planet Mercury is revolving around the Sun in elliptical orbit as shown in the figure. Kinetic energy of the Mercury is greatest at the point A. Which one of the following planet take least time to orbit the Sun? Mercury. Least time. Mercury 88 days ही लेता है, Venus 224 days, Earth 365.2, Mars 687, मार्स सबसे ज़्यादा है। जुपिटर 11.86 ईयर, सैटर्न 29.4 ईयर, यूरेनस 84.07, नेपच्यून 164.9 ईयर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ प्लैनेट इज विदाउट सैटेलाइट? मरकरी, वीनस। अल्बिडो इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट डिटरमाइंस इट्स विजुअल ब्राइटनेस व्हेन viewed with reflected light. Mercury receives greater sunlight in comparison to Earth, but albedo is less than that of Earth. Venus. Hottest planet of the solar system, Venus. Evening star, Venus. Morning star, Venus. Existence of human life on Venus is highly improbable. Venus has extremely high level of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. Planet which is called twin star of the Earth, Venus. Spacecraft Mangalyaan, Venus. Earth. 23 सितंबर और 21 मार्च सन साइन बिटवीन इक्वेटर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न। 21 मार्च और 23 इक्वेटर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर। Maximum at the equator, rotation of Earth creates centrifugal force, which is maximum at equator. Tropical air time between sun takes return to same position in the cycle of season. और ठीक almost the following was the first to state that the earth was spherical. Aristotle. In the form of organism, the scientific name of earth is green planet. Diameter of the earth 12,800 किलोमीटर. Moving from one place to another place of high altitude, the weight of object decrease नहीं increase. Earth is not perfect sphere, geoid shape है. Unlike fluid core of the earth, the core of the moon is solid. Chemical element found in the abundance in the earth crust, oxygen. Time taken by the light emitted from sun to reach earth is 8 minutes. Sunlight 8 minutes. Star is nearest to the earth, sun. Nearest to the earth, Mars. Planet nearest to the earth, Venus. One revolution of the sun earth takes approximately 365.25. At which average speed earth revolves around the sun? 30 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. How much distance per minute does earth cover? 27.8 किलोमीटर पर मिनट. Equatorial circumference of the earth 40,000 किलोमीटर. Earth's axis rotation is always inclined at angle 23 or half. Earth's magnetic equator passes through Tamba in South India. Northern end of the Earth's axis is called North Pole. There is parallelism of Earth's axis. Cause of day and night rotation of Earth's axis. When the length of day and night is equal to the sun rays falls perpendicular to equator. Seasonal change are caused by which one of a special characteristic of the Earth's motion, revolution or axial tilt is half degree. Cause change of season, revolution and inclination of its axis. In winter, sun rays falling on the Earth bend more towards the Earth's surface in comparison to summer. If distance between sun and Earth reduced by quarter to present distance, then probability of duration of 1 year will be decreased. Artificial satellites are always launched from the Earth in the eastward direction. Each direction from Earth because satellite gain momentum, but it is not true that satellites to orbit pole are launched in direction of north or south. The Earth rotates from west to east, and so satellites attain escape velocity. These elements are abundant in the formation of interior layer of the Earth: nickel or ferrous, iron. In the structure of planet below mantle core is mainly made up of iron. World Earth Day 22 April. International Earth Day 22 April. Earth's axis tilted 23 or half. Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years when living organisms originated a modified early atmosphere of the Earth. First, to explain that rotation of Earth on its own axis account for daily rising and setting of the sun. Aryabhat. Possibility of a desert on Earth is more nearby 23 latitude. Death Valley, North America. Patagonia Desert, Argentina, and Peruvian Desert are found in mountain dense shadow region. The Mars. Duration of its day and tilt of its axis almost identical to those Earth. This is true of Mars. Orbit around the sun and planet makes Mars takes lesser time than the time taken by Earth. Diameter of planet Mars is less than that of Earth. Most relevant for the presence of life on Mars. Occurrence of ice cap and frozen water. Alien life because of a very conducive environment to life. Mars. Phoenix Mars landed on the surface of Mars 26 May 2008. Jupiter. Moon of the planet Jupiter are discovered by Galileo. Largest planet of the solar system Jupiter. Heaviest planet of the solar system Jupiter. Maximum time of one revolution around the sun Jupiter. Ring of Jupiter is composed of silicates. Largest number of natural satellite or moons Jupiter. Saturn. Time Saturn takes to complete one revolution around 29.5 years. A planet has ring around it. Saturn. After 7 years of its journey, spacecraft Cassini started its revolution in June 4, 2004 around which of the planet Saturn. Planet Saturn warmer than Neptune. Titan is largest moon of the planet Saturn. Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. And Neptune is surrounded by methane gas ring of sub-zero temperature. Phobos or Deimos are two satellites of Mars. For one revolution around the Sun, and Uranus takes 84 years. Year is largest on Pluto. Which planet take longest period in revolving around the Sun? Pluto. Longest time in completing one revolution around the Sun? Neptune. International Astronomical Union in 2006 which of the following is not planet? Pluto. Smallest planet of the solar system? Pluto. Coldest planet of the solar system is Neptune. Farthest planet of the solar system? Sometime Neptune and sometime Pluto. Although farthest orbital path excessively Neptune. Nixa and Hydra are moons of Pluto. Moon. First land on moon. Man first land on moon 1969. Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins and Edwin Buzz or Aldrin Jr. Sea of Tranquility lies on moon. So, the same face of moon always faces the earth. Moon completes one rotation around its own axis 27 days 7 hours 43 minutes. Only one side of the moon's surface is visible from Earth. The period of rotation of the moon on its axis is equal to the period of revolution around the Earth. On the surface of moon, two persons cannot listen to each other. There is no atmosphere on the moon. Lunar eclipse takes place. Moon comes between Sun and Earth. SME. Lunar eclipse is caused when Earth comes between Sun and Moon. Lunar new full moon. 23 December on the full moon Perigee. The main condition responsible for greater brightness of the moon on the full moon day 22 December was Perigee. When moon's size is half of the full moon, angle between the sun, earth and moon is 90. Choose odd one out. Moon. Not planet, moon. Planet Uranus, satellite, moon, comet, Halley, or artificial mariner. Blue moon is a phenomenon occur when two full moon occur in the same month. When any object is taken from Earth to the moon, its weight decreases. Distance of moon from Earth 364,000 kilometers. 364. Selenological engineering explorer in orbit of the moon become the first country in Asia. Japan. The asteroid main belt near group of a small piece of rock and metal revolving around the sun between orbit of Mars and Jupiter is called asteroid. Trojans. Group of a small piece Mars and Jupiter asteroid. Asteroids are rocky debris of varying size orbiting the Sun. Most of the asteroids are small, but some of dia is large and 1000 किलोमीटर. एस्ट्रॉयड आर स्मॉल सेलेस्टियल मार्स और जुपिटर के बीच में. एस्ट्रॉयड आर स्मॉल रॉकी प्लैनेट्स विच will comet are formed of frozen gas held together by rocky and metallic material. Comets show perceptible glowing tail while asteroids do not. Comet and meteors. The tail of comet is directly away from the sun because radiation emitted by the sun exerted a radial pressure on the comet, drawing its tail away from the sun. Helipop. Helipop is the name of comet. Shoemaker-Levy collide. Jupiter. Meteor, a piece of matter which has entered the Earth's atmosphere from outer space. Earth latitude.